Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel, and welcome to Robotics and Mechatronics Tutorials. In this tutorial we explain how to correctly install ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco on Raspberry Pi 5 and Linux Ubuntu 24.04. So let's start immediately. Here are very important notes that you should take into consideration before installing ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco on Raspberry Pi 5. We are using Raspberry Pi 5 with 8 GB RAM, and here is the photo of my Raspberry Pi 5. We have installed an active cooler. Here it is. To improve the read and write speed of Raspberry Pi 5, we have installed an NVMe SSD disk and a base to support the NVMe SSD. In this photograph, the base is below Raspberry Pi 5 and you cannot see it clearly, and NVMe disk is attached to this base. You can actually see this ribbon cable connecting the NVMe disk that sits on the base below with my Raspberry Pi 5. The motivation for using NVMe SSD is to increase the speed of Raspberry Pi 5. Our experience shows that the increase of speed is at least 10 times compared to the micro SD card. This increase of speed proves to be crucial when it comes to the smooth operation of Raspberry Pi 5 and when it comes to operations that require extensive read and write tasks. Consequently, if you still didn't purchase a Raspberry Pi 5 computer, our suggestion is to purchase a version with 8 GB RAM, active cooler that is actually separately sold, and an NVMe SSD. We created video tutorials on how to start with Raspberry Pi 5 and how to install an NVMe SSD. Links to these tutorials are given in the description below this video. Then, to install ROS2 Jazzy on Raspberry Pi 5, you need to have Linux Ubuntu 24.04 installed on your system. We created a separate video tutorial on how to install Linux Ubuntu 24.04 on Raspberry Pi 5. A link to that tutorial is given in the description below this video. Okay, let's start with the installation process. First of all, you need to go to the official ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco website. That is, you need to go to this address. Then over here, you need to find the installation page. If you scroll all the way down, you need to click here on installation. And over here you have several options for installing ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco. You have installation by using binary packages, and you have installation option to build from source. So what's the difference? Binary packages are usually downloaded or pulled and very little compilation is performed. That is, you will not compile everything on your system. On the other hand, building from source means that you download the source code and that you completely build everything on your computer. If you want to build everything on your computer, it might be even take 1 hour on Raspberry Pi 5, and consequently I don't suggest that you go down that path. My suggestion is to start with binary packages, and later on, once you become more advanced user, you can use building from source. Okay, we are going to use binary packages, and over here you have several options. Usually what I suggest to everyone is to use deb packages, that is Debian or Debian packages. So let's click here. Now, over here we need to perform these instructions, and let's do them. And let's do them step by step. Don't skip a single line of these commands, otherwise you might have issues. So what I will do right now, I'm going to minimize and change the size of this window, such at the same time you can follow this manual and you can see what I'm typing in my terminal. So let's open a terminal. Click here and search for terminal. Here it is. And then let's resize this terminal such that you can nicely see what's happening. And let's write the commands. First of all, you need to write locale. What is locale? Locale means encoding. Currently my encoding is actually properly set. It's UTF-8 and that's what is actually required. However, let's just follow these instructions. Although I can skip this with no problem since I already have UTF-8. So let's write sudo apt update and sudo apt install locales. Let's do this. Enter your password and let's continue. And now this will take some time. It might take around like 5 to 10 minutes to install ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco. It's not bad. Much quicker than building from source. Okay, then let's do this, and you can see over here that most of the time the requirements will be satisfied. However, let's just respect this tutorial and let's do everything. And then over here, let's execute this. And now again, if you tile locale, or however you like to pronounce, you can see that nothing changed in my case since it's UTF-8. The next step is crucial. You need to enable the required repositories. You need to add the ROS2 apt repository to your system. To do that, first of all, you need to add Ubuntu Universe repository, and you can do it like this. And then you need to do this sudo apt add repository universe. So let me just type this and press enter. Okay, this might take maybe like 10-15 seconds or so. Next, we need to add the ROS2 GPG key, and we need to do it with apt. To do that, you need to again run sudo apt update, and then you need to install curl. Curl is a very useful tool that's often used to install or to download different programs. And after that, you need to run this command. Then you need to add the repository to your sources list. So let's execute this. Next, we need to install the development tools. Over here, it's written that it's optional. However, I don't think it's optional. I think that you actually need development tools. Later on, if you follow my video tutorials, and in the future I will make several video tutorials on how to use ROS or ROS development tools, so let's make sure that we have them. And let's press yes. Now you can see that they're around 330 megabytes. So you have to be patient here, depending on how fast is your internet connection. Okay, now we are ready to install ROS2. We need to update our apt repository cache after setting up the repositories. Consequently, whenever you want to install something in ROS2, you always need to update and then you need to upgrade. Or whenever you want to install anything in Linux Ubuntu. These two commands are actually a must. Let me now copy this. Oops, let me paste this. And here it is. Now let's press yes. I usually perform these two operations automatically every several hours. Okay, over here you have two types of installations. You have the desktop install, and this is recommended. This will install ROS, RVs, demos, tutorials, and probably it's going to even install Gazebo. I'm not sure. And then you have a bare bones installation. Bare bones installation will only install communication libraries, message packages, command line tools. For complete users, I strongly suggest to install ROS Jazzy Desktop. So let's do that. Now, This might take a while, so prepare yourself, press yes, and let's see. You might even go outside or like 5-10 minutes make a break, since this will take around that time, depending on how fast is your internet connection and how fast is your disk. You can see that everything is flying in my case. This is because I already have NVMe SSD installed and it's super fast, and plus my internet connection is not bad, so in my case this might even take less than few minutes. Then after some time you will see this green progress bar, and you can see how everything is being installed. 14%, 15%, and watch out, the size of ROS2 is around 1.3 gigabyte. Currently we have installed, actually downloaded everything, and now we are installing. Okay, after approximately several minutes, ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco is installed, and we can test the installation. There are several approaches for testing the installation. The quickest approach is to run the so-called talker listener example. So let's do it. To run a talker listener example, and whenever you want to run a new ROS program, it's always a good idea to open a new terminal. So click here. Now, the next step, and maybe the most important step, is to source the environment. Sourcing the environment means to execute a ROS2 setup file that will probably configure ROS2, and that will make sure that you can execute ROS2 commands from your terminal. And to do that, you need to source this setup.bash file. Note that ROS is actually installed in this folder opt-ROS. So let's execute this file. The next step is to run a ROS2 program, and over here we will run ROS2 program called Talker. This program is inside of this package demo node CPP. That is, with ROS installation you will obtain a number of demos, and this package over here contains C++ demos. Inside of this demo we will run this C++ file Talker, and let's see what will happen. Now we are publishing a string. Hello world 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This string, that is hello world with this increased integer, is published through an appropriate topic. On the other side of the pipe, since topic can be considered as a pipe through which messages are being sent, we are going to start a receiver node or receiver program. Let's open this terminal, a new terminal, and again, whenever you want to start a ROS node or ROS program, you need to source your environment, and then we will run the listener program or the listener node. We run it like this. We type ROS run demo nodes py. This is a demo package that comes with ROS2 installation, and the name of the file is listener. And let's see what will happen. Let's see. I heard hello world 61, 62, 63, etc. Consequently, we can see how in real time the message is being sent and how the message is being received. And that's it. If you can properly run this code, then you have properly installed ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco, and congratulations, and you can start learning ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco. On my YouTube channel you probably have even around 100 video tutorials related to ROS. I have video tutorials about ROS version 1, ROS version 2, ROS version 2 Humble, ROS2 version Jazzy Jalisco, and ROS2 version. The third one is actually the most important. That is ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco is the most important. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.